girls,
and welcome to today's edition
of spectacular Halloween treats.
Today we're going to show you how to make super spooky
And really delicious
haunted graveyard pudding.
Oh yeah.
How's it? It's so fun.
But first we're gonna need a few haunted things.
We will be using ghost pails, haunted sprinkles, ghost whip, graveyard cookies, zombie gel, witch's snot, slimy worms, pumpkin patch in a bag, stuffed eyeballs, and brewing utensils.
If you're new to our channel, I'm Angelina.
I'm Scarlett.
And I'm Annabella.
And together, we are the Wild Adventurers. To stay up to date with our videos, we'd love for you to pound that subscribe button.
Ring that bell.
And
smash that like button.
In under 5 seconds. Do you think they can do it?
Heck yeah.
Ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Great job, guys. If you haven't already, make sure you head to our website at thewildadventuregirls.com and come on any one of our blog posts. Hashtag Wild Adventure Squad, letting us know that you did it. Okay, let's get brewing. The first thing we're gonna do is brew our haunted witch's snot. To do this, we're gonna brew our vanilla witch's snot
And our chocolate witch's snot.
Once they're done brewing, we're gonna stick them in the freezing cold mortar for 30 minutes to cool off.
Hey girls, watch this. Hocus pocus graveyard spell. Time to make our brew come true.
Whoa!
Now it's time to take our ghost whip and slice it in half.
And put it into our bowls.
Yummy.
This ghost whip is delicious.
And do a nice slice down the middle. Ooh. We're gonna scoop it into our witch's snot. Ooh. A scoop for our vanilla snot.
Now it's time to brew it up. And you're gonna wanna mix it together until all your haunted ingredients are mixed up. Now that our witch snot is brewed and ready to go, we're gonna add some of it into our glass bottles.
Ooh, it looks so good. I cannot wait to eat this. Now that it's in our bowl, we have to smooth it all out. Ooh, it looks so yummy.
Now that our vanilla snot is in, we're gonna add a layer of stuffed eyeballs.
Ooh, Scarlett, that's gonna be an eye catcher.
We're gonna make an eyeball row and keep going until it's completely covered.
Ooh, this is gorgeous.
Now that our eyeballs are in, we're gonna cover them up with our chocolate witch snot.
Oh yeah, baby, it's time to get graveyard vibe.
Okay.
Whoa! That looks so delicious. I love
It smells
chocolate
amazing.
snot.
It looks so gooey.
This is definitely looking like eye candy. Wink, wink.
Now that our base of our graveyards are ready, we're going to make some haunted zombie dirt. To do this, we're going to take our stuffed eyeballs
And smash them to smithereens to make them become dirtified. I'm gonna give them a muchacho squeeze.
Now that our dirt is ready, we're going to sprinkle it all over our graveyard.
Ooh, it looks like zombie dirt. I can definitely see a zombie living under this dirt.
It wouldn't be a graveyard without gravestones. Now we're going to decorate our gravestone cookies.
And stick them in the dirt.
This is looking scrumptious. Now that our gravestones are ready, it's time to add the last finishing touches. I'm gonna be adding slimy worms.
I'm gonna be adding the pumpkin patch.
And I'm gonna be adding spooky sprinkles.
Hey girls, do you want to hear a joke?
Sure.
Okay, why didn't the skeleton have a date at prom?
Why?
Why?
Because he didn't have the guts to ask! We're gonna start with our haunted pumpkin patch.
Ooh. This is looking like such a fright.
Now we're at some creepy crawly worms.
Ooh, that one's coming out of the ground.
Ooh, I think this one's been chomping on this like little gravestone.
This graveyard's crawling with brains and bones.
Now it's time to try it. Ready? 3, 2, 1.
I love this chocolate witch's snot. It is so good. Maybe we should eat all graveyards because they're delicious. They are.
I can't wait to eat the next cemetery. Overall, we give these spooky graveyard treat a big thumbs up. Oh my gosh, Belle, what is that crawling towards you?
It's a zombie head! I think you got it.
Okay, bye-bye. Thanks for watching our show.
Please subscribe to our channel.
Bye-bye. Now that our witches...
Okay, Bella, we found a spell that'll give you your first cat. Okay, repeat after us. Pumpkin smile and black cat's grin. Time to let the spooky in.
Hey, Bella.
Pumpkin smile and black cat's twins. Time
Wait.
to let the spooky in.
Boom! Oh no! The girls have turned into cats. Oh my gosh! What have I done? Okay, let's reverse spell. Reverse spell. Oh no.
Well, I guess two's better than one, am I right?